Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here, and do I have a special video series for you? It is the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. I decided to share with you my favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Some of them I've been making for over 20 years, and a couple of them are new ideas that I just added to the assortment. All veganized for everyone to enjoy, but not a single one lacking in amazing taste. The hardest part will be deciding which ones to make. From super simple to a bit more time consuming, these cookies will have your holidays sweeter than ever. So for the next 12 days, I will be adding another recipe to the list, so be sure to subscribe here to my channel and you won't miss a single one. Number 6 on the list are these Almond Lace Cookies. While they may not be too much to look at, let me tell you, they are so good. Even kind of fancy too. These delicate lace cookies can be filled with chocolate or left plain, topped with sliced almonds. They just sort of melt in your mouth. This is the same recipe I used for my cannoli shells a few months ago, where I rolled them up into tubes to be filled with cannoli cream filling. So this is just the non-rolled up version of that same cookie recipe. They are really easy to make, but they are delicate, so take some care in making them. Now, you will need vegan butter, molasses, vanilla extract, flour, brown sugar, and salt. Get the vegan butter melted, and while it is still hot, add the molasses, the salt, the brown sugar, and whisk it smooth. Then you'll add the flour and the vanilla extract, and then whisk that smooth. That's it. Now pour it into a smaller container and refrigerate it while you preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can actually refrigerate this cookie batter for days if you want to get ahead and then just bake them as you need them. I did that here, and I want you to see the difference between baking the batter while it's still quite liquid versus scoopable as it is here. This was in the refrigerator since last night. I think it's actually easier to handle when it's scoopable because you can control the size much better, and it's a breeze to just press out the dough rather than how I had to spread it with a spatula when I made the cannoli shells with it the first time. So they bake up exactly the same, it's just kind of easier to work with the batter when it has solidified. So you just pick your best method and then top with the sliced almonds. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for just 8 to 9 minutes, but no more. They burn really quickly, but if they're not baked all the way, they will be chewy. Like even 1 minute too soon, I've found that they just are too chewy and not good. So at this size, 8 minutes was perfect. Once they are cool, slip a small spatula under each one, and you can be done here. Or if you are me, you will put chocolate on everything in your life. And I even sandwiched together 2 of them for a really delicate, lacy, slightly chocolatey cookie that is just out of this world. I love these cookies so much, and I do hope you will try them. So just head on over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab all the recipes. And if you are feeling brave and want to go for cannolis too, I highly recommend that recipe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Stay tuned in tomorrow for another video in my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies recipe series. And until then, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.